How to calculate days, hours, minutes, seconds between two dates? We use formula to count the difference between two dates in days or difference between two times. However, in some special cases, we may want to get the days, hours, minutes, and seconds between two date times. This tutorial introduces the formula to solve this job. To get the total days, hours, minutes, and seconds between a set of start and end dates, you can adapt the formula using sum product function. Note that, if the argument end date and time is smaller than the argument start date and time, the formula will return the error value. Just paste this formula in your expected result cell and change end and start date with cell reference number and press enter key from your keyboard. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more important video tutorials regarding Excel.